Changing your payout method on Planta's Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payout method is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Planta's Bank website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information and payout preferences. Step 3. Select payout method. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the payout method you wish to change. You may have options such as direct deposit, check, or electronic transfer. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information for your new payout method. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new payout method details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes and log out of your account. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation messages from Planta's Bank regarding your updated payout method. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact customer support for assistance.